In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board on Monday.com using a web browser, specifically Chrome. Whether you're looking to make a quick copy of your board structure or duplicate everything, including all tasks, I'll guide you through the process smoothly. Duplicating a board can be an excellent way to save time, especially if you have a board setup that you frequently reutilize. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to go ahead and log in to your Monday.com account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the board you wish to duplicate. If you're working on a platform like Monday.com often, you probably have multiple boards. So make sure you're on the right one before moving forward. This ensures that you're copying exactly what you intend to. Once inside the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner. There you'll find a three-dot menu, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three little dots. This menu is essentially your gateway to a variety of different actions you can perform on your board, and it includes the duplication feature. From the drop-down menu, locate and select the option labeled Duplicate Board. Monday.com gives you the flexibility to choose between duplicating only the board structure or the entire board including its items. This is a crucial step, and you want to make sure you choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're looking to copy the structure only, the system will replicate your board's columns and groups, providing a clean slate structure-wise. On the other hand, selecting structure plus items will copy everything, including all your tasks, which is perfect if you're looking to create a full-fledged copy of your board with all its content intact. Once you've made your decision on what to duplicate, it's time to move on and click the duplicate button. This will initiate the copying process. After a brief moment, you'll see a new board appear in your workspace, mirroring your original board's selected content. It's always exciting to see how quick and efficient this process is. Before you wrap up, there's an important tip to consider: renaming your duplicated board. This will help you avoid any confusion between the original and the duplicate, especially if you're managing multiple boards. Furthermore, you might want to adjust the permissions on your newly created board depending on who you'd like to grant access to. This final step ensures that your duplicate board is fully tailored to your requirements. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step process to duplicate a board on Monday.com. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Duplicating boards can be a real time saver, so why not take advantage of this feature whenever you need it? Thanks for watching,